Window installation Knoxville services are essential for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetics. Our expert window contractors in Knoxville specialize in energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and vinyl windows, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. With a focus on custom windows Knoxville, we provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs, along with high-quality replacement doors Knoxville. Energy-efficient windows Knoxville are a top priority for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our selection of double-pane windows Knoxville and vinyl windows Knoxville offers superior insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. By choosing energy-efficient windows and replacement doors Knoxville, you can significantly lower your utility bills while contributing to a greener environment. Window installation Knoxville services are crucial for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Our skilled technicians handle window glass replacement Knoxville, window frame installation Knoxville, and window sealing Knoxville to ensure your windows remain in top condition. Regular window maintenance Knoxville can prevent costly installations and extend the lifespan of your windows and replacement doors Knoxville. Custom windows Knoxville offer a unique opportunity to enhance your home's design and functionality. Our window design Knoxville experts work closely with you to create windows that complement your home's architecture and meet your specific requirements. From window measurement Knoxville to window consultation Knoxville, we provide comprehensive services to bring your vision to life, including replacement doors Knoxville. Window contractor Knoxville services are your go-to solution for all window-related needs. Our experienced team handles everything from window installation Knoxville to window upgrade Knoxville, ensuring a seamless process from start to finish. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, we are the leading choice for window services in Knoxville and replacement doors Knoxville. Window styles Knoxville are diverse, offering options to suit any home design. Whether you prefer traditional or modern aesthetics, our window styles Knoxville selection includes a variety of options to enhance your home's curb appeal. From window hardware Knoxville to window screens Knoxville, we provide everything you need for a complete window solution, complemented by replacement doors Knoxville. Window tinting Knoxville is an excellent way to improve your home's energy efficiency and privacy. Our window tinting Knoxville services reduce glare, block harmful UV rays, and enhance the overall comfort of your living space. With a range of tinting options available, you can customize the level of privacy and light control to suit your preferences while pairing windows with replacement doors Knoxville. Window insulation Knoxville is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our window insulation Knoxville services include window glazing Knoxville and window caulking Knoxville to ensure your windows are properly sealed and insulated. By improving your window insulation and installing replacement doors Knoxville, you can reduce energy loss and enhance your home's overall efficiency. Window measurement Knoxville is a critical step in ensuring a perfect fit for your new windows. Our window measurement Knoxville experts take precise measurements to guarantee a seamless installation process. Accurate window measurement is essential for achieving optimal performance and aesthetics in your window replacement project, including replacement doors Knoxville. Window consultation Knoxville services provide valuable insights and guidance for your window project. Our window consultation Knoxville experts assess your needs and recommend the best solutions for your home. From energy-efficient windows to custom designs, we help you make informed decisions that also include replacement doors Knoxville to enhance your property's value and comfort. Looking for top-notch window installation Knoxville services? Our expert window contractor Knoxville team specializes in energy-efficient windows Knoxville, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need double-pane windows Knoxville or vinyl windows Knoxville, we have the perfect solution for your residential window replacement Knoxville needs, along with replacement doors Knoxville. Upgrade your home with custom windows Knoxville designed to fit your unique style. Our window design Knoxville services offer a wide range of window styles Knoxville, from modern to traditional. Enhance your home's aesthetics with our window tinting Knoxville and window glazing Knoxville options, providing both beauty and functionality alongside replacement doors Knoxville. Ensure your windows are in top condition with our comprehensive window maintenance Knoxville services. From window sealing Knoxville to window caulking Knoxville, we provide everything you need to keep your windows in perfect shape. Our window installation Knoxville and window frame installation Knoxville services are second to none, ensuring your windows and replacement doors Knoxville remain safe and secure. Need window glass replacement Knoxville? Our team offers quick and efficient window glass replacement services, ensuring minimal disruption to your daily life. We also provide window measurement Knoxville and window consultation Knoxville to ensure a perfect fit every time. Trust our window warranty Knoxville for peace of mind and long-lasting quality, including replacement doors Knoxville. Enhance your home's energy efficiency with our window insulation Knoxville services. Our double-pane windows Knoxville and energy-efficient windows Knoxville are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. With our window hardware Knoxville and window screens Knoxville, you can enjoy improved functionality and security, especially when combined with replacement doors Knoxville. For all your replacement doors Knoxville needs, our expert team is here to help. We offer a wide range of options to complement your new windows, ensuring a cohesive look throughout your home. Trust our Knoxville window services for all your window and replacement doors Knoxville needs, providing quality and reliability you can count on.